Hey guys, this is Charles with a quick tip on your Honda CRF Kickstarters. Now, a couple of common issues that we see on these CRFs are the Kickstarter eventually will bind up when you go to pull this out, and again when you go to put it back into place. So a fix for that, you can actually re-grease and rebuild and replace some of these internal parts. We do have a great video that goes in depth on how to do all of this. Now, with the CRFs, I love these CRFs just as much as the next guy, but one of the weak points is this Kickstarter, and what can happen is it starts wearing into your frame. Now, the reason for this is the stop begins to wear down, and the Kickstarter actually comes past 90 degrees, and that's when it starts digging in, and eventually, sometimes you'll see these Kickstarters get stuck down. The other thing that can happen if you're in wet conditions or muddy conditions, your foot will slip off the Kickstarter when you go to start it. So it's kind of a nuisance. Now, unfortunately, if this happens to your bike, then your only option is gonna be to replace this complete Kickstarter assembly. So you can get the OEM part, or we have aftermarket options as well. So be sure to check out our website for that, and go over to our YouTube channel for more helpful content. We'll show you how to fix all kinds of different things on your bike. Thanks for watching.